Some shop talk. We're looking at the Husqvarna 394 chainsaw, very powerful professional chainsaw, and we'll look at some of the features it has. Kill switch is on the left, choke is on the right, operator presence lever, it won't throttle up unless your hand is in place, great safety feature. Decompression valve, push that in every time you start this high compression motor. Foot pad, you start this on the ground, foot in place, good grip on the handlebars, push the decompression valve in, and you can start this high compression motor. Has the wrap handlebar, aftermarket large falling spikes, very big spikes. Used 28-inch bar, it's in great shape. That's a 50 gauge. Chisel bit skip sequence, spacing between the teeth, and that's a new chisel bit chain. Large quiet tone muffler. Working chain brake. And features that heavy duty filter system. Just a very nice Swedish saw.